What's going on, hustlers and hustlers? This your boy Urban Hustles back and in full effect. I just wanted to tell you guys real quick about this ampm app. I know a lot of you guys may be people that are truckers or just travel a lot during the summertime and you're on the road. Well, what you can do is if you ever stop at an arco/ampm, you can download the app. When you download the app, there's a lot of different options they have. The one that I use a lot every time I pass by ampm, whether I'm going there or not, if I'm just in the vicinity, I click on the scratch game where you can actually scratch off and win certain things. For me, I actually won a couple of things. I won where it says get a free 3-pack of cookies, as well as they have one where I won a free medium freeze. Okay, so I mean, as far as that's concerned, it's free stuff, as well as they have a lot of deals here. Like, for instance, when I came looking here, I saw that they had deals of things that I would like, such as a freeze. If you didn't get one for free, you can get one here for 50 cents. They have that type of in-app deal, as well as they have an in-app deal on coffee. You get a 12-ounce coffee, you can get one free, as well as other things. I like to drink Celsius, and so as far as Celsius is concerned, I can go in and buy a 12-ounce Celsius, and get one for free. I like these here also, the bigger Celsius Essentials, and with the Celsius Essentials, I can buy one, get one free as well. So this is definitely a great app to use. Like I said, you don't even have to be going there, just passing by or in the vicinity. Pull up the ampm app, click on the scratching game, and you can be able to scratch and win. All right, so there's a lot of different options here that you can take advantage of. There should be a referral code, if there are any referral codes, in the descriptions. But other than that, man, God bless. Remember, hustle hard. Don't let the money make you. You make the money. God bless, and I'm out. Peace.